How to replace and flush the primary filter on your LifeWave X₂O. Remove and empty the reservoir. Place container under dispensing outlet. Go to Settings and System Drain. Turn system off when draining is complete. Open filter compartment. Unscrew lid. Remove filter media and discard. Insert new filter media. Screw on lid tightly. Place drain hose into sink. Turn primary valve to flush and power on. Add clean water, refill as needed. Go to Settings, Flush Filter, and Flush Primary. Return valve to normal. Store hose, close cover, tap confirm.